Users of NoSQL databases such as Cassandra have traditionally relied on their own built-in processes and tools to manage their data. But as these applications become more mainstream, those tools are simply not sophisticated enough to manage the more complex needs of a modern production environment. This video is one in a series of videos showing how the Zerto continuous data protection platform can be used in a variety of workload scenarios to provide data management solutions for a virtualized Cassandra database cluster. In this video, we'll show how Zerto can quickly facilitate an online migration of the Cassandra cluster to another environment. Cassandra is always included near the top of the most popular NoSQL applications because of its flexible schema and its distributed architecture. Its included toolset is useful in certain situations, but does not have a sophisticated mechanism for relocating its nodes if the need arises. In a virtualized environment, the hypervisors have tools for migration, but wouldn't it be nice to be able to completely migrate an entire cluster of VMs to a new host or site while the database remains online? The Zerto platform's continuous data protection functionality keeps track of all the writes and changes for files on its protected VMs and can replicate those changes in real time off-site. Zerto can also leverage that replication functionality to relocate the entire cluster to a new host or new site entirely. With the data already at the remote site, there's no need for a long synchronization process. The database is up and ready to go quickly. So if the time comes to move that Cassandra setup to a more powerful hypervisor host, or if the company is moving to a new headquarters, Zerto can move the Cassandra instance seamlessly without ever taking the VMs or the database offline. Let's take a deeper dive into how Zerto can efficiently migrate an entire Cassandra cluster to a new hypervisor host or to a remote site. Rather than rely on the hypervisor to manage the movement, which sends all the VM data at once, why not make use of Zerto continuous replication, which only requires the delta changes to be sent, saving huge amounts of bandwidth? Plus, the migration process takes significantly less time to complete while still keeping the Cassandra database online during the procedure. Once the migration has been established, Cassandra query hosts can simply be redirected to the new site as the migration is happening to quickly resume the client connectivity. NoSQL database users aren't any different from relational database users in that they want and need their data to be as accessible as possible, and the speed of business today demands it. So when situations require upgrading to a new hardware configuration for better performance, or to a new site as corporate requirements dictate, Zerto's continuous data protection functionality simplifies this process as a side benefit of its fast and efficient disaster recovery capability. For more information on the elements of this solution, please check out the links shown here. Also, please check out the other videos in the Cassandra with Zerto series at the Zerto YouTube channel to find more solutions to help manage data in your Cassandra cluster. You can find more information on other HPE workload solutions for NoSQL users by checking out the HPE Technology channel, also on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching.